Peter, hi, morning. Good to have you on the show as always. Peter, what's leading to the crude rally, and do you see a further escalation above 90 on the Brent?
Well, good afternoon and good morning and good afternoon from Sydney. A couple of things. First off, you've got that Russia and the Saudis as far as those extra cuts, rolling those out to December. There's the great concern, and that's really put I think more horsepower behind this big rally that we've seen over the last 7 trading sessions or so. You're up the best part of 7% or maybe even 8%. It's given back some of that hot steam from this morning about 6 or 8 hours ago. But still, we've got Brent sitting at $90.20 and WTI just short of 87. So I think there's more hurt to come.
The sense, Peter, that you're getting when it comes to the worries about the supply shortage, this after Saudi Arabia and Russia extended their supply cuts to the end of the year?
Yes, well, there's the first part of it. Yeah, I think it's really going to impact price. So we understand their conditions, what they're trying to achieve, and naturally, I think the uncertainty across the whole sector. It was severely sold down as far as the producers were concerned, and it's rallied very, very strongly in the last couple of months from that early 70s all the way through to early 90s. And there seems to be further upside ahead of it. Many traders are now saying $100 achievable in September, and I won't be surprised if it takes that number out.
Oh, really? That's your projection. And how is it that you expect then OPEC is going to proceed now with its oil production strategy?
Well, I'm not suggesting that's my headline number, but I'm just using what the traders are saying out there, and I'm across many different, I suppose, groups that I talk to, from producers all the way through to big hedge funds, and they're all saying it's achievable. There's the first part. The second part is the overall size of Russia and Saudi. They're the elephants in the room when it comes to OPEC and OPEC plus. And they're taking the lead on this. So they're really joined together at the hip, and they're quite aggressive with what they're doing moving forward. And this is all the way out to December. So I think it's going to be quite fascinating how we're running into October and November, whether we see some respite from them come early 24.
Your time. Thanks so much, Peter, as always, for joining in and taking us through your projections and analysis on where crude oil could potentially be headed.